Hey, welcome to the video. Today we're doing a video on X Libre. I don't really see a whole lot about this. Like with games or anything on YouTube, there are a few here and there, but nothing super serious, so I figured I'd make a video about it. We have X Libre here. I'm on Mint because I'm just a filthy casual. I would highly suggest taking a look at X Libre. If you want to install it, it's a cool little project. You can simply just copy and paste using that, or you can, do it the old-fashioned way, whatever you want to do. I would suggest that you use snapshots or time shift and back up your data. You can always have issues or something like that, so you can always roll back or something like that if it doesn't work for you. I've heard that there are some issues on the NVIDIA side. I'm on the AMD side, and I haven't looked terribly on the NVIDIA side. One thing I've noticed, Mango HUD, is if you switch to X Libre, you're going to need to use this version of Mango HUD. There's two that are usually used. It's either all lowercase Mango HUD or Mango HUD equals 1 on Libre. Mango HUD lowercase usually works. Alright, well, with all that stuff out of the way, let's get into the games, shall we?
I'm under fire! Save yourselves, people!
Reporting suspicious activity in Haywood.
Roger that, dispatch. This is 331 responding. It's my neighborhood. I'll take you for tacos sometime.
Code 0. I repeat, code 0 in this area. All units resume normal duties.
Esto te pasa por meterte.
Put that weapon away. Warum liegst du da? Mein Gott!
God!
What are you doing?
Punishment by the blade! My favorite! Wanker!
Mother of God in heaven!
Pass her by him, quick!
Don't hurt him!
You should have used...
God! Smash his head in! God!
I need your help! Come on! What? There you are, you murderer!
God! Smash his head in!
balcony lift. Got your call. Everything looks good, so I'm sending the elevator. Stand by. Stand by for hatch. Initiated. Stand by. Hatch open. Elevator's ready to go.
If you'd like to see any other games, just let me know. I'd be happy to test out some of the games. This is a really cool project, and I hope it does well in the future. And thanks to Mint for keeping us on X11, whether they do it on purpose or just simply because they're a small team and haven't really gotten around to Wayland yet. I would prefer X11, but, you know, I'm not the guy calling the shots, so, you know, what are you gonna do? Besides doing it yourself. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching the video, and peace out.